Hi everyone, good morning and good evening. So, how has your day been? So, before the close of the day, I thought I'll just leave a message with you guys, or rather, ask you something. Are you really happy doing what you are doing? You have to ask this question to yourself. If the answer is yes, I'm really very happy for you that yes, you are doing something which is meaningful. You are doing something which is making you happy. You are doing something for yourself. Continue doing that. But if the answer is no, then I think you should start thinking about doing something which is really meaningful for you, which will really make you feel happy. Every single day when you get up, you feel like doing it. It should not be a work for you. It should be something which is coming from within you. See, every one of us has a desire. Every one of us want to do something which is meaningful for us. But the point is that we are actually not taking that step. We are not thinking in that direction. And even if we think, we are not taking any steps. My request to you is that you should think about it. You should start taking steps on that. You should action on that. See, don't be worried whether you have the plan ready or not. It really doesn't matter. If you read Think and Grow Rich, it says that you should go, even if you're not ready with the plan, you should go for it. At least take the first step. You know what happens when you take the first step? The resources that are required for you to succeed automatically starts pouring in. You will get definitely new ways and methods and resources which you are not able to see when you start working on your thought, when you start working on your goal. So take that step. You will automatically get those resources. You will have to believe in what you are thinking and what is your goal. If you believe in that, you will be able to achieve that. So do something which is really meaningful, which really makes you feel happy. See, we all of us are creative beings, all of us. And we can do a lot more than we can actually think of. At least try to do that. If you don't try, you will never get to know about it. And if you try, you will see that things are opening up for you. That's my only request for today. Please do something which is meaningful. Do something which you really like to do. You will see how the entire life changes. It will transform your life. You will be so very happy. You will have freedom of time. You will have freedom of money. At least try doing that. Okay? So for now, I'm leaving you with this thought. So have a lovely day, good night, and speak to you tomorrow. Bye, take care.